Center for Land-Based Learning is a really wonderful nonprofit. We are an agricultural education nonprofit located in Woodland. We run a diversity of programs here around education, agriculture and environment, and natural resources. We were really responding to a need that we were hearing from farmers out there that were losing their farm managers because of retirement. So we decided to launch a registered apprenticeship program, which was the first in agriculture in the state. And we were going to train for the occupation of a beginning farm and ranch manager. Our program is 2 years long. We include both on-the-job training, where an apprentice will go and become employed on a farm operation, learn by doing, and then we also provide curriculum at the same time, and they take courses in agricultural sciences, they take courses in leadership and management, because one of the things that we heard from employers is that communication and soft skills are really important and lacking in the industry today.